Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Star. Today we are diving into the world of loops in Python. Loops are incredibly powerful tools that allow us to automate repetitive tasks, making our code more efficient and concise. In this lesson, we will be focusing on the for loop, one of the most commonly used loop types in Python. What is loop? Imagine you want to print the numbers from 1 to 100. You could write a print statement 100 times, but that would be tedious and error prone. Instead, we can use the loop to do this for us. A loop is a block of code that is executed repeatedly until a certain condition is met. The for loop. The for loop is great for iterating over a sequence like a list or a range of numbers. Let's look at a simple example. For x in range 5. Loop syntax is very similar to if syntax, and we can see that from the syntax. Okay. As you can see, this code will print the 1 5 times. As you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Or we can change it, print 1 to print x. This code will print the numbers from 0 to 4. The range 5 function creates a sequence of numbers from 0 to 5. In Python, the start number is always 0 for the loops. The for loop then assigns each number in the sequence to the variable I, and the code inside the loop is executed for each value of I. The line starts the for loop. The variable I will be taken on each variable in the range from 0 to 4. Oh, excuse me, I make a mistake. Every time I say I means x. Okay, let me change it to I for you to better understand. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's make a more advanced usage of this for code command. We can use the for loop to do much more than just print numbers. For example, we can use it to do sum. Let's show you how. For x in range 5, print. Oh, okay, print 5 plus x. Okay, as you can see, 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, let's make that print x and 5 plus x to see it better. Okay. As you can see, 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, and to the end. Okay. Now, here is a challenge for you. Can you write a for loop that prints the squares of the numbers from 1 to 10? As you can see, you can write it very easily, but it has a point. You don't forget that the x is a start from 0, and you must fix it how by plussing it or doing something else. It might be hard for you now, but by doing it, you improve a lot in coding IQ. Okay, now here is, in this lesson, we have learned the basics of the for loop in Python. Loops are a fundamental concept in programming, and they will be essential for building more complex applications. In the next lesson, we will explore another type of loop called the while loop. After doing exercise, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to code this exercise of this session. And as a hint, you can use x equal to x plus 1 for it to don't start from 0. As I say, you can write it like this: print for x in range 5 For it to not start from 0, you can say I equal to x plus 1. And then if you print x and I, you see that the x is start from 1 and end to 5. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.